Hi everyone. Did you know that what you eat for lunch and dinner can significantly impact your health and resilience? Today, we are focused on nutritious plant-based lunch and dinner ideas for day 18 of our proven cancer strategies revealed 90 days to cancer resilience series. Start with a big salad. Use leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and mixed greens. Add raw veggies like bell peppers, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions. And for variety, add in some roasted veggies like Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, broccoli, and cauliflower, and complete your plate with a baked potato, some whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, and beans like chickpeas or black beans. Garnish with healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds, and choose a delicious dressing. Try an oil and vinegar dressing or a vibrant dressing like a salsa dressing made with red peppers, cilantro, lime juice, and flaxseed oil. Consider having a simple vegetable soup with beautiful ingredients like onions, garlic, celery, carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, beans, and Brussels sprouts. You can add cannellini beans for extra protein. Keep it simple by batch cooking, mix and match ingredients, and try different dressings and spices to keep your meals interesting. Check out my blog for more detailed recipes and tips, and share your favorite lunch and dinner creations with me, either in the comments or tag me on social media. Let's inspire each other to make healthy, delicious meals, and let's stay cancer resilient.